Do you lose sleep over the amount of debt you've accumulated? At Sklar Associates, we can help with that. Here are our top 5 ways people get into debt. Number 1, spending more money than you earn. People generally seem to be getting more used to having debt. Ultimately, we all have to live within our means. We can't spend more than we make, no matter how much we want something. Number 2, keeping a credit card balance. Generally, credit cards have a high interest rate, and this cost can add up each month. If you do have a credit card, pay the balance in full each month. Number 3, buying a house that's above their budget. Today, with interest rates so low, it's easy to get a large mortgage to buy a bigger house. Sooner or later, mortgage rates are going to rise, and people with large mortgages could be in for a shock and a payment they can't afford. Number 4, having no debt repayment plan in place. If you're running a deficit each month, it's going to add up until you're not able to manage all the bills. Spend less than you make, create a budget, and tally up your expenses to see how you're spending your money and where to cut back. Number 5, not saving for your retirement. Most people don't save enough for their retirement. You can set up automatic withdrawal payments to start building your savings. And take advantage of RSP matching if your employer has it. If you're ready to start living debt-free, call or visit Sklar Associates and get a free consultation.